Before we get in the video, don't forget to eat your egg and cheese sandwich with some fries. Go there, I got one. Oh, this smart house. The demolitionist will come any minute now. I know it. He will. It's a fact. It's been proven in every possible way. He's already here. No. Wait. No, he was already here. Bro, I am a god. Boys, you gotta love me. Sell me your boom booms. I really want. Oh god, not that big. Why did I say thank you? That was so. Oh no, not him. PTSD moments be like. PTSD moments be like, oh no, not that one guy. Oh, not that one guy over there across the street. Oh. He's over there with his little, with his little iPhone 17. It's scary, sir. I sleep with another man. Oh god, that's gay. Oh god, no. The moon. I need you to move faster, Mr. the Moon. Actually, the stars. Oh my gosh, Mr. the Moon. Mine. Not really good chemistry. Not no free good chemistry. Ah, new day. Welcome back to your mother's house. Oh, that's done. Ooh, Abigail's flower. And it's an annoying one at that. Kartoffel. Shroomite sandwiches. Oh wait, that's the Terraria. Dang it. Shroomite sandwiches though. No, Shroomite sandwiches do kind of nice though. Oh yeah. I'm gonna die. Oh, now I'm going to die. Kung Pao rice. Oh, yo. It's so nice. Oh, really, this one. God, it's so fun. I will find what's on the other side of the jungle. Is it my the ocean yet, sir? Sir, by the ocean? You know what they say? Espresso depresso. I will continue going through here. I'm a changed man. It actually was with it. I'm gonna go take that other check. That goofy. Yeah. Thanks for agreeing with me, Abigail. Let's go. Bamboo. How do I click the bamboo? Oh. Wow, the herbivores are just so bad at hunting. They hunt living creatures that don't move. That's how bad they are at hunting. Oh my god, what was that? A flying cock. What? Was that a flying cock? Is that what it said? No, come back here. I want to murder you. Great cockatoo. Sir, I got this. No, the cock. Yes, I got the cock. Please don't tell me the corruption biome's over here. Sure. Let's go. Oh, emerald. Bro, the people at school say I'm irrelevant. I'm more relevant than them. Oh! More relevancy. Guys, I'd like to report that I am going to die in a few days. Because... Amazing. That's so cool, bro. Like, couldn't be me. Could not be me. Couldn't be me. Couldn't be me. Hey, yo, buddy, muchacho, can you move out of the way? Thank you, sir. That's much appreciated. I think he needs to go back in the ocean. What fish is you want me to catch? Nah, bruh. That's racist. Yeah, welcome to the new age. To the new age. Welcome to the new age. To the new age. Oh. Radioactive. Radioactive. Oh, shoot. That's a problem. I'm gonna die. I just died. That call could have all have ended a lot better. I just thought of a way I could have survived that. That's just depression. Espresso depression. I'd rather swim. But I will. Wait, bro, it gives me more temper. That's cool. That's cool. I'm tired. No, when the show must go on. The show must go on. For another like half an hour. These lights will show me the way. Oh, it's going to cool down, I think. Oh my god, you're such a nice guy. You show me gold. That's amazing. You're such a nice glow stick. I love you. Let's make children. Our relationship be like, man, we love each other. We should make children. Because they're gonna love each other. Oh my god. This ain't full of blunt smoking. Go. What? I wanted to leave, not go deeper. Oh. Where am I? You're a genius. Oh, crap. Espresso, depresso. Depresso. Content, bro. It's content. We need a knife. Mein Gott. Oh my god. What are you? Oh, yo, can I kill you, sir? Hey, can you come over here? You can't even come over here for a second. You want me to come to you? That is so mean. I already have the pants. Yes, please have an eye inside. They leave. Oh yes. When they leave. Oh yes, when they leave. Yes, when they leave. You leave me and my hawoobies alone. Leave me and my hawoobies alone, sir. I need you to leave me and my hawoobies alone. Well, I met a demon altar. I might as well craft one. No. Oh, I need more gold. I need one more gold, so I need to make an entire new furnace. Bruh. Sail. Eat the chimpanzee. Eat the monkey. 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 The monkey. Eat the monkey. Let's go. Okay. Now. To thy home. Guys, today we will murder your mother. Okay. Now. I got now, bro. You don't understand. I can fight the king slide now, and I can put that on my title. Got a name finally. Buddy, don't do that. But it was flare gun time! Why did he have 2 crowns? I only summoned him once. He doesn't require that many crowns. Inside the house. Sir, no, stop. My arena, Megalovania. No, I guess not because okay. I'm not good. I need to get good. I should probably actually make an arena. That would make it. I never make arenas. That would make it easier. I have 1 attempt. I already failed 2 attempts, sir. I'm not gonna fail another.
on purpose. Dude, that double cheeseburger